Hello and welcome to tutorial video how to create parent portal. In this video I will show to you how to create parent portal account step by step. So let's start. First, you will receive email from school about your account. So when you receive the mail, it will look like this one, where you will find the link for accessing the parent portal, and most important is below, as you can see it right here, this portal access code and portal access password. So these two information will be very important for you to create parent portal account. So let's start. First, you will go here on this link that you received on your mail in this letter. So just click on this one and it will automatically open the parent portal account. Just remember that you need to have email, personal email. Of course, already in the email that you received from the school, it will show you which mail are you using, or as a father or as a mother. So also I need to mention in this video that one account, when you create, it doesn't matter which email are you using, all your children will be on one account, so you don't need to create additional account. So let's start. To create account, you will go here and just click create account, and as you can see it asks us portal access code and portal access password, which we already received in our mail. So here you just need to copy and paste. So select, copy this, and password, access password also, copy and paste here, and then just click next. After that, it will here ask your details to input it. So for example, here I will say Mr., my first name and my last name. Then it will ask email. Please use it email that you received on your mail. So father's mail or mother mail, it doesn't matter. So you can just copy that and paste, and then here create password. After that, confirm the same password that you typed before. Just please follow it, this system for creating the password. That means that password must have 3 rules, and that is English uppercase, English lowercase, a number, and non-alphabetic number like special character like dot or full stop or at, and so on. After that, just click register, and here it's written that account activation email is being sent to you. Please follow instruction in the mail. It is now safe to close window. So we will close this window, and let's go back to our inbox to see that mail. And here we go, parent portal activation mail came. Open it. As you can see it here, it says username, email address, and this is the link that we need to verify. If you cannot click the same way right now that I cannot click, so you just need to select this, go right button of your mouse and choose go to this, and here we go, your account has been activated. So click here, use your email that you used before as your username, and then type in the password that you created for that account. After that, just click sign in. And here we go. We access to the parent portal main page. So as you can see it here, there's a lot of news, a lot of information that you can visit it, like gallery, bulletin, school news. Also in the beginning you have here welcome to the parent portal message, and as you can see it all for children, even for the children that they are just applied in school. You can see it informations here or latest documents, but in our next video I will show you how to use the parent portal. Thank you for watching.